Hey, how y'all doing? Today I'm doing a video on how to check your oil. Yeah, so you just want to locate where your oil dipstick is. It's usually like a yellow tape color or orange, like this, and it will usually be next to the engine oil thing. All right, so what you want to do? Make sure you have it on the level surface. Make sure it's not up or down. All right, so you just want to take it out. All right, so you want to wipe it first, so you could get an accurate reading. You could use a paper towel or anything that you have to wipe it off. And as you can see, these two holes, this the minimum it could be right here. And that's the maximum where the oil could be. If your oil level is right here, that means your oil is too low. If it's like in the middle, you should be all right for a little bit. Like it's okay. And the max is right here when it's full. If it's past the max, that means you got too much oil. So now you just want to put it back in and then pull it back out just to see where the thing is at. So as you can see, mine's is at the max. So I'm good with the oil right now. But if yours is at the minimum and it didn't hit right here, that means you need to add some oil to your car.